Hey crochet girls, it is your girl Steph. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a first impressions hair review on Kima Braid in the style Soul Wave and Ocean Wave. So let's get right into it. So somewhere on the screen I will throw up different videos where I have pre-recorded the hair and how it felt and how it looks. So I did not intentionally want to put these two styles together, but as you can see, when they are installed, they look very, very similar. But let's talk about Soul Wave. So I got Soul Wave and Ocean Wave in number 2, and they both came in 20 inches. And you guys can see that I left it relatively very long. I did not leave it completely 20 inches. I actually cut some off the bottom. I would say maybe I trimmed off 2 to 3 inches before I installed the bundles of hair. The Soul Wave is it's a very loose curl. It's not, the curl pattern is not similar to something like Deep Twist by Free Tress, but it is loose, okay? And this hair resembles bundles, you guys. As you can see, my hair definitely looks like I might have a sew-in, but obviously not, okay? I really like this because if you want something that is crochet that's not super curly, Kima Braid offers a lot, or I should say Harlem 125 offers a lot of varieties of different hair that kind of gives you that bundle vibe, but obviously is not. So right out of the package, the hair is super soft, and this is true for both styles. It is not silky. It's just soft, but it has a connect-a-line feel, and I think that connect-a-line feel, which just means it's similar to how your hair feels when it's blow dried, is very easy to crochet with. And so this is very beginner friendly in terms of knotting. You won't have to knot a whole bunch to get the hair to stay in. And so I really like that. Now, I know some of you may be saying, girl, it came in 20 inches. Does it come in a variety of lengths? I have not personally seen Kima Braid and these particular styles come in anything but 20. Now, if you are the type of person where you don't like to wear your hair that long, you find that it's, just not conducive to your lifestyle, or it tangles more than you would like, just cut it upon install. I think I would personally like something to come in 20 inches, and then I can like tailor make it to the size that I, or to the length I would want it to be, than for it to come in a particular length that I ain't too much care for, and then there's not room to cut if I needed to, or if I wanted to have it longer. So I think coming in 20 inches is very advantageous. Ocean Wave has a very S curl vibe. It kind of goes like this, whereas Soul Wave goes like this. Okay, and that's very two different wave patterns. However, if I had to tell you if I preferred one over the other, I think I prefer for it to be the Ocean Wave. I kind of like that because I think when you install it in your hair and you're kind of, fluffing it out, I think I like the fact that my hair kind of goes like that versus this, that's just a preference. It's not even a big deal, but I want you to know that I had two different styles, even though it looks like I don't, okay? So let's talk a little bit about my braiding pattern. I actually did pre-record me explaining my braiding pattern to you guys, and I don't know how helpful that would be if I don't do it step by step. But I did want to insert some footage for you guys just so you can see what it looks like. And if you guys want me to kind of do a step-by-step where I go through and I braid my hair and I'm showing you what it looks like, let me know. I don't mind sharing that with you guys. I think a lot of times when it comes to crochet, people don't want to share their secrets, and that's why I really love, shout out to Beauty Kima Braid. She does not mind sharing what she learns about crochet patterns. And I don't mind sharing with you guys how I feel like this crochet pattern is so conducive. So you'll see somewhere on the screen what I did, and you'll see me talking, but I'm kind of going to speed through that footage. But yeah, so my crochet hair pattern, is very, very conducive to something that is an illusion method. You're not able to see any knots, any spaces in my hair. And I think if you want something very flawless, very seamless, this is definitely the braid pattern for you. Now, how did it work with installation? The hair was very easy to work with. Like I said, I am a hairstylist, so it was very easy for me to kind of knock this out on myself. And the more that I do crochet illusion, I just learned it last year, but the more that I do it, the faster I am. Not the better I get, but the faster that I am with doing it. So actually all across my perimeter and up the sides, I have crochet illusion. And then on my parts, it is crochet illusion. And on two or three different parts, it's crochet illusion, where you don't see any of my knots, and the knots actually sits in the middle of my braid. So I love this hair so far. I think this is the longest that I have kept it. I think this is the longest that I've kept it. This is the longest that I've ever kept it, like ever kept it this long. And I think the reason why I kept it long is because it's birthday hair, okay? So yeah, like go big or go home. This is birthday hair. We're gonna do it big. And I really, really like it. I definitely am gonna be able to put it in a high ponytail when I want, like as it gets older. You guys know I love me some ponytails as it gets older. So I'll be able to, you know, do that, hit that motion. Yeah, I'm so excited to like just try it. You know what I mean? And to tell you guys honestly how I feel about it as time goes on.